Hi guys, today we have another product from Octoplastic and it is the Bonnet lever. Let's take a look at it. Nice fine finish as the original. Plastic, fairly simple to install, so let's go to the car. Okay, so we're at the car. We're going to replace this one, which is going to here in assembly. I'm sorry, it's a bit windy today, but I like to do things outside if I can. So the first thing you're going to push the stopper out of its hole. Be careful, be slow, don't push it, don't force it. It has two hooks which go into place like this. Here, what you would like to do is you have to take care of the spring, so you gently just pry it out of its hooked position. Yes, on the sides. On the other side, just take it off like this, and it's out. Let's install the new one. Goes in here. You put the springs back on the two holders. Just be careful so you don't miss it like I just did. 1, 2. It's not on fixed position yet. So we go back with the hook. It goes in. But first you will have to move the spring back into its position. 1, push it through. 2, it's up there. 3, you're done. Fairly simple, fairly fast. The important steps are to try not to bend the spring. Be sure to put it back into its position, hooked here and here, and push the nozzle as far as it goes. Don't force it, don't break it. That's all for today. Thank you.